accept our apologies for keeping you this long, even when you knew that we had finished the NWC meeting before now. We had to brainstorm, looking at the technicalities of some of the issues that were discussed today. I will spare you the details of most of the things that were discussed. But chief among the issues that were discussed were the issues of our Rivers State Executive Committee and the merits of the legal issues surrounding SYMFONI. You would recall that there was a judgment of recent that had reinstated the ENDBGIN Executive Council at the detriment of the caretaker committee that was set up by the NWC. It will interest all of you to know that before that judgment, there was a judgment that had sacked the ENDBGIN Executive Committee, which gave rise to the establishment of the caretaker committee, to which they had appealed, and the matter is still pending before the Court of Appeal. He could not wait for his own appeal at the appellate level and went on to institute another case to which he was able to secure a judgment. As far as the NWC is concerned, this is a total abuse of court process, and we are still waiting for his appeal at the appellate level on his sack. And subsequent upon that details and subsequent upon that fact, we as an NWC deliberated on the matter and are reiterating the fact that we are still recognizing, in view of his his appeal in the first matter, we are still recognizing the Okocha-led caretaker committee. And so until his appeal is listened to, we, of course, had also appealed in his own judgment that he secured. And, of course, it's an elementary law that first in time matters. So that is essentially that the issues that were discussed today at the NWC as far as Rivers State is concerned. Thank you very much.
I don't know, question?
Yes. Yeah. Sorry, sir. If you say you still recognize the CTC led by Okocha, then why do you appeal this judgment? Because from your submission, it means that this judgment means nothing to the party. Why are you appealing?
No, there is no judgment by any court, no matter how ridiculous or no matter how small the court is, that you are going to jettison. We are people of law. The APC respects every court. As long as there is a judgment by a competent court of jurisdiction, we are bound to attend to it. But to us, it's an abuse of court process. There is a case that you had gone on appeal. So why going back to another court to go and institute another case? And besides, the APC as a corporate body was not joined in the suit. And we were not served the judgment in the first place. So for the fact that we are not a party to the suit, we are entitled to take our decision, to which, of course, would suit our party the most.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Deputy National Secretary, thank you. You said you brainstormed on many issues while the NWC meeting. That means I can want to take liberty of that to ask some questions that might outside what you just told us. One question was that since morning we have gotten a lot of, even my office in Lagos, they will send several issues about APC. One is the issue of the NEC meeting. There was a letter they said was circulated yesterday that we are supposed to hold a NEC meeting from 5th to 19th and to hold also a non-elective convention within the year. I hope that was discussed, and if not such a thing, let us know. The second, also, we've heard about it. National chairman trying to be given ambassadorial position. Those issues, they come to your table, and how we are there.
Anyway, thank you very much. You're correct for the fact that the issue of our NEC meeting is all over the social media. And so in today's meeting, we agreed that the 11th and the 12th will be for our caucus meeting and our National Executive Committee meeting, subject to the approval of the President. So essentially, we had agreed on a date for the NEC meeting, which will be preceded by the caucus meeting, which will take place on the 11th, and the NEC meeting on the 12th, subject to the President's approval. As to whether the national chairman would be given ambassadorial appointment, I'm not aware of that. And we'll wait to see. Probably maybe you journalists have a way of getting your information, but the party is not aware of that yet.